On the number line shown above, the tick marks are equally spaced. Which of the following statements about the numbers x, y, and z must be true? And we're going to choose all the statements that apply. Well, it might be helpful here to assign some test values to x, y, and z, just to see what happens, and then we can tweak these values if we need to. So why don't we say that since these tick marks are equally spaced, that they're all a distance of 1. So we start at 0, right? We go down 1. That means x is at -1. We go up 1. That means y is +1. And then we go up another 1. That means that z is 2. All right. X times y times z is less than 0. Is that true? Well, is -1 times 1 times 2 less than 0? It sure is. It's -2. And in fact, this will always be true when you think about it, right? Because x is a negative number times two positive numbers. A negative times a positive is always going to be less than 0. So A is a true statement. All right, how about this next one? X plus z equals y. Let's see this. X, -1 plus 2, z, -1 plus 2 is equal to 1. Well, that is true as well. Will it always be true? Well, as a matter of fact, it will be. And here's why, right? X is the same distance away from 0 that y is. And z is that same distance above y. So by adding this negative value to z, we're basically pulling it back 1 unit, which gets us to y. So B is also true. Okay, how about this last one? Z times y minus x is greater than 0. All right, so z, which is a positive number, times y minus x. Well, what's y in this case? 1, and x is -1. So y minus x is 1 minus -1. 1 minus -1, or 1 plus 1, which is 2. And then we said z was 2. So is 2 times 2 a positive number? It is. Will this always be true? Yes, it will be. Because y minus x, right, a positive minus a negative, is always going to be a positive. And z is always positive, so it's a positive times a positive. All three of these statements are true. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my live online GRE course, follow the link at my profile.